Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open ADCB bank statement PDF password. So whenever you open your personal internet banking with ADCB bank, you can just go in your accounts and you can download the statements. So once you download the statements, it will be in the PDF form, and when you try to open it, it will ask you to enter your password. And now you must be wondering how you can basically find the password. Most probably they are going to give you the instructions, but in order to open that PDF, you will need to enter a password which typically follows this format of the first four letters of your name, lowercase, with no spaces, followed by your date of birth. So this is how it works. So the password for your ADCB statement PDF is generally first four letters of your name and plus your date of birth. For example, if your name is John Doe and your date of birth is this, your password should be like this. So with this way or with this format, you can easily open that PDF. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.